All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
In February 2025, Iran introduced a new and significantly enhanced version of its domestically produced Bavar 373 air defense missile system, known as the Bavar 373-2. The announcement was made during an exhibition hosted by the Iranian Defense Ministry's Aerospace Organization, which President Masoud Pezeshkian attended. This new iteration of the Bavar 373 marks a substantial leap forward in Iran's military capabilities, particularly in air defense. The Bavar 373-2 brings several technological advancements, making it a more formidable player in the regional air defense arena. One of the most notable upgrades is the introduction of independent launcher stations. In this new configuration, each transporter erector launcher, Taylor, is equipped with its own radar, allowing it to operate autonomously. This enhancement means that each launcher can now detect, track, and engage aerial targets without the need for a central radar system, providing greater operational flexibility and reducing dependency on other assets. In addition to this, the Bavar 373-2 boasts extended detection and tracking ranges, which were two key limitations of its predecessor. The system's detection range has been pushed beyond the original 320 kilometers, while the tracking range has been increased from 260 kilometers to a more advanced level. These improvements significantly enhance the system's ability to identify and engage enemy aircraft, missiles, and other aerial threats at greater distances, offering Iran an edge in terms of early warning and countermeasure capabilities. Perhaps the most striking improvement in the Bavar 373-2 is the system's expanded engagement range. The introduction of the Sayyad 4B missiles, Iran's advanced air-to-surface and anti-ballistic missile technology, has allowed the Bavar 373-2 to extend its engagement range from 200 kilometers to 300 kilometers. This upgrade dramatically increases the system's ability to intercept high-speed, long-range targets, making it a more versatile and powerful addition to Iran's air defense network. Furthermore, the Bavar 373-2's upgraded radar and tracking systems enable it to track up to 60 targets simultaneously, with the ability to engage 6 of them at the same time. This multi-target engagement capability significantly boosts Iran's defensive readiness, especially in complex combat scenarios where multiple threats could overwhelm traditional defense systems. The unveiling of the Bavar 373-2 comes at a time of heightened regional tensions, with ongoing security challenges in the Middle East. As Iran continues to modernize its defense capabilities, this advanced version of the Bavar 373 will play a pivotal role in the country's multi-layered air defense strategy. The system is expected to work in tandem with other components of Iran's defense network, such as the Khordad 15 and Russian S-300 systems, creating a robust and interconnected shield against potential aerial threats. The Bavar 373-2's improved capabilities also serve as a clear message of Iran's growing self-reliance in defense technology, as well as its commitment to maintaining a strong deterrence posture in the face of external pressures. As the system is deployed across various strategic locations in the country, it will strengthen Iran's ability to safeguard its airspace and enhance its power projection capabilities within the region. The Bavar 373-2 represents a significant milestone in Iran's air defense evolution. With its enhanced radar, independent launcher functionality, longer engagement range, and increased multi-target capabilities, the upgraded system is poised to significantly bolster Iran's military deterrence and defense strategies. As regional dynamics continue to evolve, the Bavar 373-2 will be an essential component of Iran's broader defense network, further cementing its role as a key player in the Middle East's security landscape.